Imagine you have multiple interfaces with various functions, and you want to extract the return types of those functions to create a new type. The problem here lies in filtering out functions that return void and only keeping those that return a value. The goal is to have a type that represents the return types of all functions in the interfaces in a structured way. To solve this problem, we can use a map type in TypeScript. The solution involves defining a type called ExtractReturnTypesT that iterates over the properties of T, filtering out the functions that return void. By using key remapping with as, we can map undesirable property keys to never and extract the return types of the eligible functions. The key to this solution is the conditional type tk extends args any equals infer r, which helps detect and extract the return type of each function. In the provided code snippet, the ExtractReturnTypesT type is used to extract the return types of functions from interfaces class A and class B. By applying this type to these interfaces, we can generate new types, return types of class A, and return types of class B, that represent the desired return types of the functions in each interface. This solution effectively filters out functions that return void and organizes the return types by function names as requested. In summary, by using a map type and conditional types in TypeScript, we can create a type that extracts and structures the return types of functions from interfaces. This solution efficiently filters out unwanted return types and provides a clear representation of the return types for each function. And with that, I hope you found this solution helpful and can now easily extract return types from your interfaces. Remember, subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts, maybe a type one or two.